Oh my days, James! Yes! Yeah. You sound American. And you've been in Australia, I know, that's very odd.
Okay, my accent like chips.
You made it, bro.
I know I did.
Oh my
Oh gosh, Mingdong?
No.
Yeah, Mingdong, no? Seoul Station. No, Mingdong.
Right, James is here.
안녕하세요.
Jeannie is panicking because of our credit card. We're waiting for the train.
First steps to Korea. Here we go. It's hot. I'm a happy boy.
Oh, it's not that bad.
Bro, it's bad. This is boiling. This is absolutely steamy right now.
And the first meal he's having is
Bibimbap, as I say, with some Korean beer as well.
what is this? Gochujang.
Love gochujang.
Yes. You have to put it in. You have to put the gochujang in.
What in here?
Yeah.
Don't you mix the rice and the bibimbap tea?
Yeah.
A little pour, 45-degree angle, halfway, shift to the full, get the perfect heads. What's cheers in Korean?
Konbae.
Konbae.
How's the bibimbap?
So good.
Satisfying? With the beer?
Cheers. What's it called?
Konbae. Okay, so we are at Changdeokgung. And it's really hot. Such a tourist. I mean, you are.
I haven't tourist.
Yeah.
Do you want to take a little photo of me?
Sure. Nice. So we bought the tickets for Changdeokgung. Okay. That's huge. Beautiful. How is it? Oh, it's kind of cool here.
Pretty impressive. Must have been a good guy. One day. It's ventilated well.
Yeah.
Ventilation's key.
So how was Changdeokgung?
Shangobong? As palaces go, pretty fucking good. But also pretty hot.
Yeah.
So we're recovering in the shade right now. Gonna get some water.
From Korean 7-Eleven.
From Korean 7-Eleven.
Yeah.
Maybe TBD if it's as good as Thailand 7-Eleven, but so far probably a bit below. Because it doesn't have the sound. It doesn't make the sound we made last time.
Ding dong.
Ding dong.
The welcome sound. Hi guys.
Look what it is. Seoul, the Seoul Tower.
Seoul Tower. Seoul and Tower.
감사합니다.
Let's go take the bus. The weather's not that bad today.
It's better than yesterday, yeah.
Yes,
but it's still
I mean, it's because it's 5
it's still
PM.
pretty hot.
Yeah.
Nice little water as well. Oasis.
Bus.
Oh my god.
There you go.
Right, can you go first?
Yeah, you go first. Just tap it. Come on, James. You can do it. Be a Korean. Say 안녕하세요 too. Ooh, nice little pink bus.
Now we're going to Namsan and that's it, right? That's it.
Alright. We're off the bus. Do you see the tower there?
Yeah, what is
The
that?
building? That's the tallest building in Korea. Lotte Tower?
It's pretty big.
It's pretty big,
Pretty
right?
fucking massive. I think it's bigger than Bangkok.
It is, it is.
Right? And Bangkok's not as tall as it.
Yeah. And here we go, the tower.
We didn't even see it at first. We only saw that.
Yeah.
And then look at that. It's pretty big.
Yeah.
But I feel like it was more. It looks bigger than from afar. Do you know what I mean?
True. It's not as big as you think, but
I feel like the viewpoint there is more impressive. Also, more views. Not complaining. More mountains. Bit of nature.
but that was a
Good workout.
yeah.
What is the significance of this? Why do they do it?
So like you put your name and your girlfriend's or your boyfriend,
So-
and then you just put it up here.
There's a lot of couples in Korea.
Yeah.
Could be me and you.
Yeah, that's what they do. That's what this place is known for.
Wow.
Pretty cool, hey?
Feeling very sweaty right now.
Alright, that's about it for Namsan. And we'll walk back. So let's go to Myeongdong this time.
Mingdong. and have a bit of K barbecue.
Okay.
A bit of jjajangmyeon. Ramyeon.
What?
No?
We're not having
Fine,
jjajangmyeon.
Sounds good.
Just K barbecue.
Yeah, K barbecue.
Alright. In Myeongdong.
And a bit of kombe. If you know, you know.
So we go.
So we go.
We are at Myeongdong.
Myeongdong Street. Myeongdong.
So
Gonna go Korean barbecue.
yep.
See some sights. Go Daiso. And yeah, Olive Young. Yeah. There.
Ooh, K barbecue. After K barbecue, little shike, Korean sweet rice drink. How is it?
Sweet.
Sweet, right?
Very
It's really sweet.
A bit less sweet would be perfect.
Okay.
It's refreshing, but it's kind of sweet.
Too sweet, right?
Which is sweet.
Yeah.
Let's go Cheyenne. Yeah.
So we got the soup. We are at
Gyeongbokgun Palace. Gyeongbokgun.
in the middle of the city.
Pretty OP. Pretty OP.
Yeah.
Like handbox. What do you think?
How's your handbook?
It's pretty good. It's hot. It's so hot. Do I look like a king?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Let's go. King James.
Indeed. Yes.
With a Reebok.
Really rocks it.
Yo, that's
Oh,
Chinese.
sorry. Actually, shouldn't you bow to me if I'm the king?
Nah.
Yeah.
Welcome to Gwanghwamun. There's our James. I think you're the only one with the king.
I think so too.
Yeah.
I kind of like it actually.
You see red up there though.
Oh yeah, but
yeah,
it's,
there are red.
that's a girl though, so it's a queen. Market, Gwangjang.
Gwangjang market.
Tteokbokki,
Pancakes.
pancakes,
Live octopus.
live octopus, mokgoli,
Makgeolli.
beef tartare,
Uh-huh. Beef tauntauns. Alright, okay.
one more.
Yeah, one more.
Gently.
Yeah. That's like half, I think.
Half of the bowl.
Yeah.
Gombe.
1, 2, 3. Gombe.
Really nice. It's like fizzy.
Yeah, right?
It's good.
Sweet too, right?
Yeah, it's good. It's better than soju. It's nice. That's good actually.
Is it moving?
Yeah,
Look at that.
Yeah.
Alright, James. Alright, try. Oh, look, it's moving.
That's too much.
That's such a tiny piece.
Wow.
Get a big one, Come on, be a man. No. What are you doing, James?
It's so squishy.
No, that's too small.
That's good. That's a good tentacle right there. Look at that. It expanded.
Oh no, oh, okay, fine. Oh, you forgot the sauce, but... Yeah?
Really chewy.
Right? It's super chewy.
I can feel it moving in my mouth.
You gotta try the sauce too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It tastes nothing, but it tastes like nothing.
Yeah.
With the sauce, yeah.
How was nakji?
It moved a lot in my mouth.
Okay, this is Korean pancake,
Okay.
and you get makgeolli. Yeah.
I like the pancake, it's good. What's inside it?
Like beans,
Oh,
vegetables.
it's good.
Yeah.
Nice.
How's Korea?
It's good. It's good. Good food, good vibes, good people, good company. It's good.
Gochujang for bibimbap.
It's good. New banana boomy airport.
Banana boomy.
Not that hot. It's
True.
not hot compared to Incheon.
A bit cooler than Incheon, I think.
Cooler than Incheon.
Yeah. Here we go. We're back. What is he doing?
服务费用
Hi, David.
Please pay for the service.
ปีกไก่ทอดกับข้าวเหนียว
Oh, ไก่ทอด
เทสได้ไหมเทส
ครับ
เรทได้ไหม
ครับเดี๋ยวนะครับ
มกปังครับมกปัง
ดีไหม
อร่อยไหม
อร่อยมาก
อร่อยมาก
ได้แล้วนะครับ
โอ้ชอบกินชาเย็นไหม
แบบหนึงครับแบบหนึง
แป๊บนึง
โอ้โหสุดยอดเลย
สุดยอดเลย
หวานมากครับ
คนอเมริกาทำไมไม่ดื่มชาเย็น
ดื่มคาเฟ่
กาแฟ
ที่สตาร์บัคแพงมากครับ
แพงมากโอ้โหบูจิมากค
ส
รั
อบ งชายเย็น
อเมริกา
ชายเย็นเป็น25 บาท
25 บาท200 บาท
ลดได้ไหม
โอ้ย BTS
นานนาน
อาโซ
นานนาน
ที่บางนา
อาโซลาเซชื่อในปากสวยปากสวยปากสวย
โอ้ยสุดเด็ด
ไปต้องไปแล้วก็เลี้ยวซ้ายที่น้ำหน้าใช่ไหม
ใช่
แล้วก็
เป็นคนไทยไหม
เป็นลูกครึ่งครับ
โอ้เป็นลูกครึ่ง
ใช่
ดีมากนะ
ใช่พ่อเป็นคนไทย
อ๋อ
พ่อคุณแม่เป็นคนสวิสเซอร์แลนด์นะ
คือ
ครับ
เซอร์แลนด์เข้าใจ
ดีมาก
เขาดีมาก
เอ้ย
โอ้ยใจเย็นใจเย็น
เป็นหนู
มีหนูเหรอ
มีหมู
งง
แล้วก็จอจานชอเชงชอช้างชอโซ
ดี